Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your GAM presentations as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. This is my avatar speaking, not me personally. And if you can't do it or have any issues, let me know in the comments and the real me will help you. Right now, I'm inside the GAM application or website using a free account. Here I have a finished presentation called AI Education Empowering the Future Workforce. To export it, go to the upper right corner and click the three dots. You'll see an option called Export. You can choose to export all cards or a custom range. You'll also see options like Embed, Publish to Site, Share, or Collaborate. From the top choices, select either Export as PDF or Export as PowerPoint. Click your preferred option, and that's it. Your presentation will be downloaded and ready to share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.